today we are going to do a video with toys and like don't break your mom's best teapot. Like that's the name I'll put in. And definitely subscribe, ring the bell, not do it once, do it 100 times, do the smash and enjoy this video. Let's start. Oh no, I break our mom's teapot. What? You break your mom's best teapot? Yes, I cannot see. How can I do? But definitely, but the safe thing is our mom is in the shop to get some milk, so we have some time to think. But I cannot think. It's okay, we can do this. And then I heard you can get a toy that's a cup. Let's go there. Hi guys. Yeah, we will open this ginormous cup. I'm so excited. I'll give you some time to see. It's that, and let's open the strip. I'm so excited. Get out here. Ah! Wow. Okay. Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Okay, wait a second. Here's the spoon. Oh, what is this anyway? It was just like this. If you didn't see, it just got out. But like this. This. Yeah, I think it was like this. No, it's not. It was like, yeah, it was like this. Yeah, it was like this. That you can see. So we have the spoon, and there's the how to do. First, you put it in, and you do it, and it will reveal these things. Okay, it's like a key, but more, I don't know. Put it in. Okay. More. Oh, the lid is opening. Okay. What is this? Okay. Oh. Okay. How can? Oh, here it is. Wow. Oh my goodness. How can I do first? Okay. First, let's see the teapot because we need to give our mom's best. Teapot. I'm losing my strength. Oh no. How many surprises are in this? What? More surprises? More. Okay, now. Okay. More. Oh no. What is this? Okay. First, I'll show you here. Like this. Okay. So. I see the collector's guide. Okay. What is the collector's guide say? Open it. Okay. So you can get these for. I want to get her. She's so pretty. Like, you can get these for. I want to get ginger tea. Okay, what can we do first? So there's the guide how to do it, but I want to do it myself. So, Mommy, can you bring the water, warm water in here, please?
How much?
I don't know, just middle.
Middle.
Okay.
Warm water?
Oh
여기
yes.
써있다
yes.
써있다.
You can get it because I don't need it. Okay. First, let's open it. What can we do first? Let's open the doors first because I want to see it. Maybe let's do it the last. Maybe. What can we do first? Let's open these surprises. What is this? Wow. Oh, what is this? Okay. I think I see it on another video. I think this is the plate. Oh, English. The 식탁이 영어로.
Table?
A table. Okay. I made a table.
오, table.
Oh, the tape. Okay.
Good.
Okay, there's the table. Second of all, let's do this surprise. Put it right up there.
We have to be careful to wet
Yes.
this blanket.
Put it right there. Here. What is this? I got this cute kitty. Okay, I cannot do my voice. So cute kitty. It's pink. So pink kitty. What is this? Okay, this is the cat things. A ball and a ball. Okay, let's put these ones out so she can play. Oh, she can play with them. Yay, yarn. Let's do another surprise. Wow, what is this? Oh, where's the pets? Where's the pets? Where's the pet? Where's the pet? Where's the pet? Okay, there's two things, and where's the pet? Where's the pet? Pet, 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 pet. Okay, there's not the pet. I don't know why. Okay, but I think it's empty. Kill. Okay, so there's the one kitty. There's these things. I think they forgot another toy here, but I'm okay. Okay, and then what can we open it? Oh, it's okay. And let's go here a second and stir the mixer. Okay, come. Like I'll move it. So let me go. Okay, let's open these ones. Okay, so we need to put these ones inside here like a bath bomb. Okay.
Bathroom.
Open.
Mommy help you.
Okay.
La. So you put them inside here, and it will make some surprises and like mix. Okay, the water is coming, so
와, 오.
this thing fast. Who invented the glitter? Okay, this will be hard. Okay. Let's just put in our hands inside.
What is it? Oh,
What
뭐가
is
나왔다.
this? What is this? I don't know what is it, but let's put it here. So where's more? I see it. I see it on. Where is it? I see it on.
Accessory.
Where is it? I see it one. I see the accessory. Oh, where is? Oh, I find it. Oh, where was it? Accessory. Okay, wait a second. Accessory, come. Accessory. Okay.
Ooh.
I think these two are only here. Oh,
No more.
no more. So
Another thing.
let's put it in here. So
It's hard to open.
okay, you can get a scissor. So okay, let's mix it. Do you like a cup of tea? Oh, yummy.
We need to change the water.
Now you can put it in.
Oh, and same.
Going in. Bath bomb. It looks
Wow.
like.
glitter going.
Let me.
Oops. Oops.
Oopsie.
Daddy parted.
Oopsies. What is this? I see it one. I see it. Let me put out this one. Oh, I didn't see this one before. I think I got the rare one. I don't know. Ah! How can I find it?
Not melted yet.
Okay. Where could it be?
Oh, is it earring?
Yeah. I need to find the one more earring.
No.
Where is it? But I got a different one. What? I got a different one. A cat. A glittery one. But I don't know what is it. I don't know.
Yes. And another.
Silly. Okay. Let's open the doors. The doors. How can I say doors or
We have
doors?
to change the water.
Water. Hey. Let me see here. Oh.
Wow. 여기도.
What?
Wow.
There's a tea bag. Tea bag.
Wow.
Let's put it. Just
No.
put it.
Clean water?
Yes, please. Okay, let's do this a second, and let's open the doors. Oh my goodness, so cute. Oh my goodness, so cute.
Show the toys.
Oh my goodness, and she even moves the feet, even moves the hands. Let's open another. Oh my goodness, so cute! I got the ginger tea.
Show the toys.
Ginger tea. Can you see here? There's ginger tea I wanted. I think it's her. Okay, let's put the earrings. Oh, one fell down. Let me get it a second. Okay, just see them. Okay. Can you find who is the ginger tea? Say in the comments. And who is the cat? Oh. Okay, so I got 4 earrings. Let's do these 2 earrings for her, I think, because she looks like a more princess. Okay, I got one. Another. Wow, so pretty.
Bling bling.
Bling bling. Okay, let's put this on here. The earrings are so cute. I don't know who invented the earrings like this. Ah! earrings, the gold ones, I love them. The gold one. Okay, now let's put the tea bag. Let's put the tea bag. Come, tea bag. Tea bag time. Come. Tea bag. So look carefully because I'm gonna put the. So look. Oh, it was so fast. It was so fast. It was so fast.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Oh, okay.
Whoa.
Oh, so pretty.
Cloth.
Oh. Wow. I love these. So cute. Oh my goodness. It's so hot.
Hot.
Hot water.
Did you put hot water?
Yeah.
Ah. Why did
It helps melt so quickly.
Quickly.
No, I see in the video it was warm water, cold water. Now matters. But you did. Oh my goodness. You did so badly.
One more.
I'm sorry, Sue. I didn't see it.
Oh, one more.
Another one.
What? Stop!
more?
Stop.
봤지?
No, I don't know. Maybe a necklace? Okay.
오, 엄청 끈적하다.
You need to put it like
물로 한번 씻어요.
You need to clean.
you do that and I'll show more things here. So oh my goodness. Let's open this one. Oh no, this one. I want to see what's in here. Wow.
Sure.
So cute glasses and wow
Hair.
and like
Hair.
oh no
Hairband.
yeah maybe say in the comments what is this.
Yes.
Okay, let's open another bag. Wow, I love the gold ones. They're so cute. Maybe it fit me. I don't know. Wow. And I'm so good at like the cute earrings. There are glitter. And now let's get them. Okay, the good earrings. Oh, so cute.
Sure.
Okay, let me do all the things first. And where was it? Oh, the glasses. It's hard to get both of them, but I did it. The earring goes like here it is. So cute.
Wow.
Now let me do her ginger tea. Oh my. Wow, ginger tea. Guys, do you want to see what's in this bag? These two, I want to see this one. Wow, these are little ones. Wow, a little teapot. And even opens and down. And they said they need a teapot. Oh, I said a cup, but I'm sorry. And even, wow, they can like, those are real hair like that. Oh, let's open this bag. What is in? Wow! Those are little things like this. Okay, let me open the middle one. Show you guys. Oh, these two I opened. These are this, and I put out these two. This and what can I do now? Oh, there's some slime things. Okay. Wait a second. And I think my mom. Also, this is the blue slime, and those include some slimes here, and I think my mom cleaned the things, but I'll show you the blue slime. Oh, this is like
Slime?
a fluffy slime.
오, 슬라임 됐어.
Wow.
This is a fluffy slime.
Wow.
Cloud of fluff.
Something false.
This is like
Something false
fluffies.
on the bed.
No, nothing fluff.
Wow.
Oh, this is so fun.
It's natto.
No. Oh, this slime is so fun to play.
It's trust.
This is so fun. Make it in a ball. Wow.
Wow. It's star.
Okay. Now
Noodle.
let's put in the bags one of them. And now we have the clothes ready. Okay, give me all of them. Okay, now the first doll, let's put her. So I think her, there's a black
Wow.
dress. Let me put the black dress. I didn't
이거
say
너무
it
귀엽다.
is me, but okay. Let me put this in. Okay. Oh, I did it. And there's the shoes. I think it's these ones because the slippers are so good. Like her is so perfect.
Wow.
Like you can see here, and I'll get ready. Okay, and her dress is like something here. I don't know what is this one, but let me just put it. I'm sleepy
Are you sleepy?
because it's night. Wow, it's night. Oh, why are you laughing to me? I'm not serious.
You are genius.
That's a rhyme. Okay. The hair
Why?
is coming in here.
Serious genius rhyme이래.
See?
It's really genius.
Serious genius. Those are s, right? Okay, just complete.
Is this door is a rare item?
No, this door is not rare.
Do
I
you-
have the good ones.
Did you want this door?
Yeah.
So what's
다 뜯었네 이제.
name?
Another one. No open.
Yeah, that's the fluffy slime. Oh my goodness. My strength. Let me open
Can I
this
have
one.
it?
Okay, let me show you this yellow slime. Well, this is
Oh,
the fluffy slime
nice.
too.
음.
This is a fluffy slime.
와우.
Okay. Yeah.
In the middle.
아, 다 슬라임이구나.
레몬 향이 나는 것 같은데.
이것도 좋은 냄새다.
Okay, the glasses off, the earrings off, and put this one off, and then I can do it.
Are you sleepy?
Again! Again!
It's
No.
yawning.
No. Didn't you do it? Yarn. Can you put this thing in? And the kitty is so
와,
pretty.
눈이 완전 예쁘다네.
I said.
머리 너무 부드러워, 얘네.
I think let me smell them. Okay.
쭉쭉쭉쭉.
Those are
쭉.
wow. This is a candy. This is like a lemon. Lemon.
이게 쭉쭉쭉쭉쭉. 이걸로 점점점점.
This is fluffy slime, so you cannot do that things.
Yeah.
But you can do a little bit. Maybe.
Okay. Then what is that?
Oh, some shoes. And there's a necklace.
아,
And there's some shoes. Like, these are so good. Like, you can get them anywhere. Like, this is amazing. So amazing.
so long hair.
It's amazing.
Amazing. And say goodbye.
Yes, maybe. Okay. Oh, I want to show you something.
자. Take a shoes.
Okay, because I didn't show them the shoes. And
이거 테이블이다.
so this is her outfit. And say bye, you.
Earring.
Where's earring? Oh,
Glasses.
earring.
저것도 슬라임인가?
나중에 좀
나중에
Where's
슬라임이면 나중에.
열면 굳으니까.
First bye. So
Bye.
ring the bell.
Ring the bell. Bye bye.